Hello, hello everyone. Today we are gonna solve problem number 136 of lead code. The title of the problem is single numbers. Let's understand the problem. Given a non-empty array of integer nums, every element appears twice except for the one. Find out that single one element. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. So problem have given a condition. So in that condition, we need to implement the solution with the linear time complexity and only constant extra space. Let's understand the example. In the example number one, the array of integer is given as a 2 to 1. Here, the appearance of 2 is twice and the appearance of 1 is once. So we need to return the element whose appearance is once. So the frequency of the 1 in this array is 1. So we will return the 1. In the example number 2, the array is given on the screen. Here we can see appearance of element 2 and 1 are twice, but the appearance of element 4 is only once. So we will return the element 4. Now let's understand with the sample example. I'm writing some sample example. Here is a sample array. As we can see that 1 is appearing twice, 2 is appearing twice, 5 is appearing twice, 4 is appearing twice. So, and the occurrence of the 6 in the array is only single time. So we need to return the 6 as a solution. How can I implement this solution? There is a straightforward. The first method came in my mind to implement the solution using an order map. First, we will store the frequency of the each element of the array in an order map. After storing the frequencies, we will iterate the array and we will return the element whose frequency is 1, right? Because the occurrence of that element will be 1. But here comes a twist. There is a condition in this problem itself. As this is a linear time complexity, we can understand. But there is another second condition. We can only use extra space, right? But if we use the unordered map, the size of the map will be dependent of the size of the array. So space complexity will be order of n. So we don't need to implement that solution. Another approach is we will use the properties of bitwise operation. There is a one property in the XOR operation. If we do XOR of two similar element, the result will be 0. Think think of it. How can we how can we use this property in our question? As we clearly know, every element except one is appearing twice. Let's follow the approach. Like if we store the result of entire array in the form of XOR of each and every element, those element whose frequency is 2 will get cancelled out because of this property, and in the result there will be only one element whose frequency is 1. Are you getting the things? So, and this also use the extra space, only constant extra space, and linear runtime complexity. Let's implement. Let's define integer result, initialize it with 0. Now we will iterate through nums array. Oh, I'm Python guy. I was forgot to. I'm familiar with Python stuff. Let's run the solution. Hope it will work. Oh, as I mentioned, I'm the Python guy. Yes, it worked. Thank you so much for the today. And tomorrow also I will be posting one question. Stay tuned. Thank you.